This is Amelia Alexander, and we're gonna make some food sound. We need some of this, some shaving cream, and some eye solution. And you're gonna need some glue too. If you want to make some galaxies now, you're gonna get these colors. Pink, purple, and blue. And you're gonna put the glue in there, and then put the shaving cream in there, and then put the eye solution in there. But the color is not all the way in there yet, so I gotta put some more eye solution in there. The eye solution almost gone, so I gotta play with it. No. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. The glue didn't mix in all the way. So I'm just going to try to hurry up and put some eye solution in my hand. And make sure it gets really moist. It's working a little bit, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is the second time I made some cookie foam. And it turned out right. And it feels like foam. Foam, you guys, foam.